This is the AI News Flash for March 11th, 6 a.m. UTC. First up, a joint investigation by CNN and the Center for Countering Digital Hate has found that 8 out of 10 major AI chatbots provided teen test users with information on weapons and targets more than 50% of the time. The researchers posed as two teenagers, Daniel in the US and Liam in Europe, testing 10 popular chatbots with escalating questions, starting with signs of mental distress, then requesting research on past violence, and finally asking for specific weapon and target information. Anthropic's Claude was the only chatbot that consistently refused to engage with violence-related prompts, demonstrating effective safety measures. The investigation highlights real-world consequences. In Finland, a 16-year-old used ChatGPT for 4 months to plan a school stabbing attack. In Canada, the main suspect in a February school shooting was found to have used ChatGPT to research gun violence scenarios. Next, enterprises are scrambling to fix a growing AI code quality crisis, according to Morning Brew. Data shows AI-generated code contains 1.7 times more issues than human-written code. Over 90% of these are so-called code smells, subtle quality problems that appear functional, but create long-term maintenance headaches. Engineers at companies using AI coding tools are now pushing 2 to 3 times more code than a year ago, but code review has become a major bottleneck, with senior engineers overwhelmed by the volume.
In response, Anthropic shipped Claude Code Review on March 9th, deploying multiple AI agents to perform deep reviews on every pull request. 78% of organizations have now integrated AI into their primary development workflows.
Third, today marks the deadline for both the FTC's AI policy statement and the Commerce Department's 38 state AI law evaluation report. The FTC statement will clarify how Section 5 of the FTC Act, which prohibits unfair and deceptive practices, applies to AI models. A leaked draft reportedly covers AI-generated advertising, consent frameworks for training data, and transparency in automated decision-making for credit scoring, underwriting, and employment. Crucially, this could effectively preempt state AI laws in Colorado, Illinois, and California, reshaping the compliance landscape for every enterprise AI deployment in North America. Combined with the Commerce Department's review of 38 state AI statutes, today represents a historic turning point toward a unified federal AI regulatory framework. Finally, NVIDIA announced DLSS 4.5 dynamic multi-frame generation at GDC 2026, set for release on March 31st. The technology uses a second-generation transformer model to automatically adjust the number of AI-generated frames during gameplay in real time. It adapts to scene complexity and display refresh rate, maintaining smooth output at 120, 144, 240 Hz or higher. 20 games with native DLSS 4.5 integration were announced, including 007, First Light, Control Resonant, and Tides of Annihilation. Available for RTX 50 series owners, it represents another step forward in real-time AI-powered visual generation technology. That's all for this AI News Flash.